Let me go over this a little bit. This actually comes with 6 different graphite pencils, 3 different charcoal pencils, 4 different charcoal sticks, 1 sketch stick or like a blending stick, 2 different erasers, and a, what's this called? A pencil sharpener. All in all, I gotta say, this pencil set, sketch set is crazy. The amount it comes with for the insanely low price. I'm quite astonished with this. I mean, every single pencil is a different hardness level. Every single charcoal pencil is a different hardness level. You got soft, medium, and hard. You got soft, hard charcoal sticks, and then these 2 like specifically colored charcoal sticks. 2 different types of erasers. You got the soft clay one, and then you got the regular eraser, and 2 different like a pencil sharpener with 2 different pencil sharpening types. It's just insane for the price. If you're looking to test out just a whole bunch of different hardnesses and a whole bunch of different drawing materials, or you want to gift somebody a little drawing set, this Amazon Basics drawing set is crazy for the price. I totally recommend it.